Stop risking night driving disasters. These best 4x6 LED headlights are secretly causing major visibility issues for thousands. But most drivers don't even know it. Imagine cutting through fog and darkness like never before. If you're still using old lights, you're missing out big time. Upgrade now with the ultimate LED solution. Let's start. Number 5. XPCTD 4x6-inch LED headlights deliver an unmatched driving experience with 60-watt pure white LED light and a whopping 14,400 lumens output, replacing H4651, H4652, H4656, H4666, and H6545 effortlessly. DOT approved and IP67 waterproof, they ensure legal, safe, and reliable performance in rain, fog, or dust. With a durable aluminum body for fast heat dissipation, these headlights last over 50,000 hours. Plug-and-play installation in just 15 minutes. Superior brightness, wide compatibility, and instant safety make XPCTD headlights a must-have upgrade for any vehicle. Number 4. Z Off-Road 4x6 LED headlights deliver unmatched visibility and safety for your truck, offering 400% brighter illumination than halogen with crisp 6500K white light. DOT approved with a precise Z cutoff, they ensure no glare for oncoming traffic, while providing high low beam versatility at 108 watts per mode. Built with shatterproof, waterproof aluminum housing and UV-protected lenses, they last over 50,000 hours. Easy to install with included H4 connectors, these headlights combine durability, superior performance, and sleek design, making night driving safer and stress-free. Number 3. BICACO 120W 4x6 LED headlights deliver unmatched performance and safety for trucks, trailers, and classic cars. These DOT-approved lights feature high-low beam, DRL, and pure 6500K white illumination for crystal-clear visibility without blinding others. Built with durable aluminum housing, waterproof IP67, and shockproof design, they thrive in any weather while lasting up to 50,000 hours. Installation is plug-and-play in just 20 minutes, complete with anti-flicker circuitry. Perfect for Peterbilt, Kenworth, Chevy, and more. These headlights maximize safety, style, and value instantly. Number 2. Auxbeam 4x6 LED headlights instantly transform your driving experience with unmatched brightness and clarity. Engineered with 100% original high-performance LED chips, these headlights deliver a full 60-watt output, 3,600 lumens high beam, and 2,800 lumens low beam, outshining standard HID and 4x6 rectangle lights. DOT and SAE approved, IP67 waterproof, and shockproof. They're built to last over 50,000 hours. Featuring upgraded projector lenses, anti-flicker circuits, and superior cooling, they guarantee safety, durability, and superior night visibility for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. Number 1. May Yellow 4 pieces 4x6 LED headlights deliver an incredible upgrade with 4,500 lumen on high beam and 3,000 lumen on low beam, making your night drives safer and brighter. Crafted with premium aluminum housing and a perfectly sealed lens, they resist moisture and last up to 50,000 hours. DOT approved and plug-and-play, installation is effortless. Compatible with over 95% of vehicles with 4x6-inch sealed beam holes. They provide outstanding brightness, reliability, and value. Experience unmatched durability, improved visibility, and enhanced road safety instantly.